How exciting! You've logged into your Canva for Education account and you're now ready to invite students to a class. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a class, invite your students, and manage your class settings. Let's get started. Once you're in a Canva for Education account, you can create as many classes as you like. A class is a group of people in your school. When you create a new class, Canva will generate a folder that is starred here, so you can have a dedicated space to create and share materials. For district users, if your district is syncing rosters from an identity provider like ClassLink, you will automatically see all of your classes in your sidebar. Seamlessly move between your different classes by selecting them here. Ready? Let's create a class. Select the Create a Class button. Choose a name. And select which invite option would be best for your students. Remember, at this stage, anyone you invite will be listed as a student. You can change this setting later on. Create a link to share with your students. Share the link in any way that suits you. Maybe turn it into a QR code for younger users, or look here to see link sharing integrations. Share a unique code with students which they can enter using this link here. You can expand the code to full screen here. Another invite option is to import class lists you've already created via Google Classroom here. You can also send invitations to your class via email. Simply type in the user's email address. This is perfect for adding in co-teachers to a class space, or for class spaces where you just want to collaborate with teachers. District users will only be allowed to invite people with district email addresses. Amazing! Your class has been created. Let's explore how to manage this class. Select Settings and hit Classes. In this area, you can view classes you have created and classes you have been added to. You can switch between a grid or a list view. On this page, you can enter the Create a Class pop-up. Search for classes and delete classes you are admin of. Let's select this class that we are an admin for and see what actions are possible. You can rename, see a list of the people in the class, change the class roles and remove people. You can also invite more people to the class here. Some district users might use Roster Sync to create and manage classes automatically. Fantastic! Your class is all set up and you are ready to start designing and share with your students.